What's going on? Is the Green Dot Whisperer back again, guys. What a freaking day, guys, for BTC. We saw a massive pump starting from the morning time, and I was just, as soon as I seen the pump, I was like, ooh, this looks nice. At first, I was a doubter. I was like, we're going to break down and roll over any minute now. But then it kept on running. And, it went bullish. It went crazy bullish. So let me go down the charts as quick as I can and show you what I saw, because Bitcoin broke out. Now, will it stay broken out? What will it do? Where would it go? How high can we go? And what should we be looking out for? So let's start. Before I get into the charts, I have an amazing group filled with excellent traders. If you want to learn more about trading, if you want to come share your knowledge, if you're already an expert trader, come join Chart Champions. It's a group of active traders, and we just share a whole bunch of knowledge and everybody's experience in their trading journey. It's free to join. The link is in the description below. And subscribe and hit that like button. Let's get into it. All right, so this is the day chart. This is the horizontal triangle that everybody in their mama had drawn up, right? And we pretty much broke out of it. Let's go down into a smaller time frame so we can analyze this better. All right. So in Chart Champions, we have this strategy about the EMAs all crossing, bunching together and crossing through the candles. And when that happens, we anticipate a big run in either way, a sell-off or a buy. And this time it was a buy. So this is the 4 hour, and this is the bunch up that I'm talking about. When here, my EMAs are, the white line is 3, the yellow is 6, the red is 13, and the gray is 34. This golden one over here is the 200 EMA. So we saw our strategy right here. Bunch up, everything break up and cross up. Here, the MACD even told us, long it. It had a long signal printed right there. Back on the wave oscillator was actually earlier because it told us to long at 4 o'clock on 4 p.m. June 13th. So today. But this was a beautiful play. This MACD crossing happened in multiple time frames. You could we're gonna go down and see it because it started like at 10 a.m. really. So you could go down and follow this strategy on all the time frames, short term or long term. So right now we had an amazing run. And yes, we're bullish right now on the 4 hour. Look at that 34 EMA. If we're over that 34 EMA, we're bullish. And we even had a whole candle close above the 34 EMA, second candle close above a third one. We had a strong closing at 8 p.m. US time. So basically it's Monday in Bitcoin's world already. So, but right now the 200 EMA has rejected us on the 4 hour. So there is a chance of a possible rollover, but this thing is not giving up. This thing is pumping. It's still bullish. I like the 8 hour one. That's an MJ green dot right there. The momentum wave just started. You see all the bunch up right here, and then the beautiful big candle. I think we have more beautiful big candles to come, and it doesn't want to let up. It wants to print a Kobe, honestly. So right here. All of this is bullish action. The 30 minutes still trying to curve down. The 3 and the 6 is about to curve. If that crosses down, that's a scalping method also with the 3 and the 6. Is going to give us at least one big red candle. But what I'm anticipating here, even on the smaller time frames, you could already see the trend, guys. Well, actually, this one didn't even go down to the 34. We'll have to go even smaller for that. But EMA crossings, bunching up, and that crossed through the 200. So it was the most powerful move. You see, when that included the 300, I'll take EMA's crossing with just the 4, the 3, the 6, the 13, and the 34. But when you throw in the 200 in there, ooh, springboard time. That's what makes it pop. You feel me? So that was it right there at 11:30 a.m. You see that? This is a 30-minute chart now. It's getting smaller. It's getting more precise, pinpoint. So And then, yeah, you saw the big, huge run up. The EMA started to spread out, bullish, 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 bullish. This one, it never really even curved down. So right now, I'm curious to see where is it gonna give me a Kobe again? Is it gonna go down to the 13 and pop up, or is it gonna go down to the 34 and pop up, or is it gonna go down to retest the 200 EMA and hopefully not dip under it and just pop up? So the pop ups, we're bullish right now. The pop-ups were supposed to happen. When we were bearish, remember I was saying all the time, oh, there's going to be a rollover. We're going to print a red dot and we're going to roll over. Now we're in a bullish trend. A bullish trend is different. We're going to bounce off of the EMA and go up. So this is what I'm expecting. Let's move down to the smaller 5-minute chart to see if that stays true. Right here, cross, started going up, tested the 16 over here. Went up, went up, went up, tested the 16, rode on the 16, consolidated there for a little bit, bounced up, came up, then we bunched up. And yeah, here, look at all of these. These are all bouncing off of the 34 EMA right there. You see that? That's the bullish trend, guys. You stare at these charts long enough, you will learn how to follow the waves, surf those waves, and follow this momentum. Look at this, went down exactly as predicted. Whoop, right there, hit the 34, hit the 34, hit the 34, bounce back up. These are all trades. So, but here we see a little retest. We went down. Same thing. We went under the 34 now. But look at that. We have 2 green candles. It might want to fight back up. So if we print a green dot here, we're going to bounce back up, and that would be nice. I want the Kobe on the 30-minute and the 1 hour. But there you have it. Can we roll down? Yes, we can. This 200 EMA could reject us completely on the day chart. I mean, on the 4-hour chart, excuse me. But is that going to happen? I don't think so. I feel with this performance and the way it closed, I am bullish again. Yes, I am. I am bullish. What I want to see, what I wanted to see, and I still want to see, is the green dot on the weekly. The green dot on the weekly, and come on, let's take it out. Let's go back up to new time highs. And this is the strategy right here. I wrote it in Chart Champions. That's why I'm saying everybody join the Chart Champions. Links below. Wait to see all the EMAs bunch up, and then could cross down and roll over. This EMA roll, it works both ways. You wait for the EMAs to bunch up, all 4 of them at least, right? Right here's going to be, if it bunch, this is a big chart. Hold on. That's a weekly. But here, you see how it bunched up over here and printed a red dot? Whoop, fell down. Now the same thing happens on the come up. Whoop. Sorry for the delay. Let me get these charts right for you. Right here. See? All the crosses goes up. And was that met? What other confirmations did we get? We had a green dot from a long time ago. Oh, we got the MACD to cross. The MACD lines touching the histogram, crossing straight through the histogram is what gave it a nice pump. Started the pump along with the indicator of everything crossing right there. So yes, I'm bullish on BTC. Where can we go? If we stay bullish, where can we go? Let's say this 34 crosses up the EMA right here, the 200 EMA, and the other 4 EMAs catch up. And this becomes closer and closer and closer. So the same bunching up that's on the 4-hour, I want to see happen on the day chart right here. All those EMAs meet and have a party and bunch up and crack up to the upside. I mean, we could still print a red dot like we had, but it disappeared because we had so much bullish action today. But not completely out of the weeds. I just love the performance that we got. That was strong. So it's up to the London session to come in and use all their might to pump this even higher. And we might actually get that Green dot on the weekly. That would be amazing. That would be beautiful, guys. Everybody would be happy again. And I could stop telling people that things are going to roll over and sell off. And we could just start looking for new high targets. And that would be better. I love making those YouTube videos better. I know you guys like those better. But Fibonacci zone is at 41,997,000. So if we get past that, we're looking pretty. And hopefully we could go back to this resistant line on the pivot point standard saying 54K, 54,557,000. I want to shoot for the moon, guys. This is beautiful. I'll keep you updated. Hopefully we're on good track. Hopefully we keep it moving. We keep it running. All right. Green Dot Whisperer signing out. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like.